In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Keap. We'll be building a simple public form that you can use on your website to collect lead information and automatically send that contact into your CRM. To begin, log into your Keap account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the marketing menu and click on Forms. This is where Keap keeps the tools for creating forms that help you capture new inquiries. Next, click Create Form. Keap will ask what type of form you want to build. For this example, choose Public. A public form is designed to be shared externally, such as on your website or landing page, so prospects can fill it out themselves. Keap also offers internal forms, which are generally used by you or your team inside the system to manually add or update contact information. Since we want a lead capture form, Public is the right option here. Now click Start building your form. In the form name area, type Free Consultation Request Form. The form name helps you stay organized inside Keap, especially if you create multiple forms for different offers, pages, or campaigns. After that, click Add Fields. You'll notice some default fields are already available. These typically include common contact details like first name, last name, email, and phone number. These are useful because they capture the basic information most businesses need to begin a conversation and keep accurate contact records in the CRM. Now add a company field. This is helpful if you want to know which business a lead is associated with, especially for B2B inquiries or service-based businesses. On this example, also click the Required Field checkbox. Marking a field as required means the person must complete it before submitting the form, which can improve data completeness. Just be careful not to require too many fields, because that can reduce conversions. Also enable the Display Helper text in Info Icon checkbox. This feature gives users extra guidance when needed, helping clarify what should be entered into a field without cluttering the form layout. Next, add another field, and this time select Add Note field. This gives the person a place to leave extra details, such as what they need help with, or a short message about their request. It's a great way to gather context before you follow up. Once your fields are set, click Next. Then click Next again on the following screen, and then click Next one more time to move through the remaining setup sections. When you reach the Publish area, copy the link so you can paste it into your website. This gives you a shareable version of the form that visitors can access directly. Finally, click Save and Exit. As a best practice, don't ask for too much information on your first form. A simple first name, email, and phone form is usually easier for prospects to complete, and you can always collect more details later through follow-up or automation. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.